Ay, 8 pala, 8. 8, right?
Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune.
Very good.
Good job.
What else you can ano? Kalkita Judy.
How about the parts of the body? Huh? Head.
ABC.
Where's your lungs?
Oh, by the way, where's your lungs? Lungs. How about your brain? Your eyes? Your mouth?
Sabi mo gallbladder. Nasaan gallbladder?
Asan yung gallbladder mo?
Gallbladder.
Where's your gallbladder?
Gallbladder.
Gallbladder nga eh.
Body.
Ha?
Body.
He said liver.
Liver.
He said
Tell to Lola, where is your neck? Oh, good job. Your nose.
esophagus.
Oh, esophagus daw. Oh, that's your esophagus. Show ito, ano, Lola. Ha? Stomach.
Pero may tao pala. Sorry naman. Napupunas ako sa ano.
Ha?
May tao pala sa
Sino sa tatay?
Aiso.
Ayun si Aiza.
Don't play on the stairs, Miko, ha?
Miko, you ano na? Are you done with these planets? Okay, put it back there now. Dali. Put it back. Let's clean up. Clean up. Ay, no pala. Okay. Where's the Saturn? Hindi kumain si Miko. Miko,
Nagpas
you
na.
din.
Kakainin mo yung
Pakainin niya to?
Miko, continue eating na sila na.
Clean.
We're eating in ano na 10 minutes.
Bilis na si ano. Where's my ballpen? Ay, naiwan ko yung ballpen. Where's my ballpen?
Pagkain mo din. Pwede mo kainin.
Mga gusto na kumain ni nanay. Yung pansit na sa ano. Where's my ballpen? Wow, ballpen ko. Let's see.